If you guys notice that 2 days ago or 3 days ago, I posted this video. I don't know when I'm going to upload, edit video and post it. That I posted about how you can protect your YouTube channel, the update that YouTube gave to us. Okay, and today we have another update. I don't want this one to be late at all. That's why I said I have to come and do this one, because this one is very, very important. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to give you another additional way that you must make sure that you protect your account, because protecting your account is very, very important. Okay, YouTube, they are not joking at all about this. They are so serious, because they know some of our channels, some of us, we are so weak, we are not really protecting our account. I think that is why they are putting efforts to remind us that we need to protect our account, and they just send us an update. And so many people, as I said, they don't go and check their updates. Your update is very, very important on your YouTube channel. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are waiting for. And in today's update, I'm going to show you the new update that YouTube should tell us to do, because it's very, very important for you to protect your account, to protect your password, to protect a lot of things about your account. So without wasting much of the time, let me take you to the phone so that you can know what exactly you need to do, how to protect your accounts, because it's very important. I know that first video, it doesn't go viral, nobody watch it, simply because I don't know. But I know this one, you guys is going to take it so serious. Have you not heard a lot of stories? At least I know about Vibe with Sonia, where she shared how her account was being hijacked. So I said wait till the end so that you can be able to see, to hear additional way that you can protect your account. Without that, let me share my screen of my phone. You know, I love sharing my phone screen. So now we are in my phone, and we go directly to YouTube Studio, because that update, you're going to find it on your YouTube Studio. As you are checking how many watch hours it remains, always check your updates, because it's not only for people that have monetized that can protect your channel. Right now that you are still on the journey to monetization, you need to protect your account. So when you get to your phone, all you need to do is to click on this bell icon. Once you click it, you will see this is where watch out for a suspicious request. And if you remember, if you are a fan of Vibe with Sonia, I'm going to put a picture. She's my mentor. She did not know, but she's my mentor online, that I am always inspired by her every single time I'm watching her. She shared with us a story how her YouTube was being hijacked permanently, to just say that they started posting what they don't supposed to be posting, what is against YouTube. They started posting it on our channel, and we all see what really happens to that account. Closed down, shut down, banned permanently by YouTube. Let's go into this and see what YouTube said we should do. He said, watch out for suspicious requests, ignore links and files from untrusted source, always verify the offer. YouTube also, they know that people that they know they are hackers, they will send you emails telling you maybe you want to come and work with us. Okay, so YouTube is even warning us in advance. So let's go inside. So you can see they gave us safety tips for us to help us on YouTube. They said we should avoid suspicious requests. If you know that this email is not something that you should believe on, I believe we should be very, very careful on clicking on it. Most of them will come in disguise. I've never received it before, but most of them will come in disguise as youtube.com or google.com, because YouTube will even give us an example down below here. When we get there, I will show you. They even give us an example. They say you should avoid it, and they say there are malware and pinching, and I said it in my last video. I know so many people don't watch. If you don't want to watch it, I'm going to put it at the end as an end screen to this video so that you can watch it as well. Okay, what is malware? They define it for us. Go to your YouTube Studio and read this. Okay, when you are putting your information where it is not necessary, okay, you are using your email anywhere, anyhow. So that's why I said wait to the end, because I'm going to tell you there are some things that you have to make sure. This is why, see what YouTube said here. Take note of this. They say YouTube will never ask for your password. Take note of that. When somebody has been, when you have receiving email where they say you should put all your information, including your password, be very, very careful of putting your password, especially emails and password that are attached to your YouTube account. Okay, because they will always want to hack somebody that has even already monetized, because if they see that you are really doing well, so you have to be very careful. YouTube gave us what are those things for which that we are going to do? Go and read all this. I'm just going to brief it for us, but we need to go and read them by ourselves. Okay, scan for malware. Make sure you scan it. They even gave us where you can scan it. When you click here, that's why I said if you have not watched my first one, go and watch it. How YouTube advised us to on this enhanced safety browsing is very, very important. On it is very important. The next one is to protect against pinching. Okay, that is where it is important for you. Okay, on your two-step verification, you need to do that. It's very important. Do not reply to suspicious messages. Read all this. It's very, very important. I will not go into it fully. Just go and study it and make sure you follow it. Do not open untrusted link and file. So if you want to open on, if you even see a link that you know that is untrusted, don't even open it. If you want to open it, copy. Maybe you should send the link, send that link to another email that is not even associated with your YouTube account at all. You can now open it there. Don't open it with the email that is associated with your own account. And they also said told us that we should report any suspicious, anybody that is sending you email that is suspicious, report to YouTube. Is very, very important. Is to protect every one of us, whether you are new, whether we are old, whether we are middle, is to protect us on this YouTube. Another thing, they say take action to keep your channel safe. Your channel is very, very important. Take action, keep it safe. What to do? Secure your YouTube channel and your Google account. They are very, very important. Follow it. When you open this checklist, click on it, see whether you have done the necessary things that YouTube wants you to do. Then check your channel update permission. Okay, you can see, go and check who are you giving permission into your account. I can show you how to check that. Let me take you to my YouTube studio and show you how to check that. So now I'm in my YouTube. As you can see here, I want to check those. If you have given accounts to people on your, then come to your YouTube studio. You can either sign in via your Chrome of your on your phone, okay, or you come to dashboard of your computer, because the computer one is so easy. When you get there, you come down here, you come to these settings. Once you click on this setting, allow it to load, then you come to here, you come to permission. When you get to permission, click on manage permission here. When you click on manage permission, this is the place. Then again, you still need to click on manage permission. So this place will make you to sign in into your own account. You put your email of your normal YouTube account. Okay, it's going to ask you to put your password, everything. Okay, so you wait for it to load. After it will ask you to verify whether it is you that you are trying to sign in. It will give you this number. Then you need to verify it on your phone as well. Make sure that all they are corresponding. Then you can come here. After you now click on this manage permission again. Once you click it, you see that it's only me that is here, primary owner. I do not give anybody permission. That is how you are going to know those that you have given permission to your account. Just beware. Make sure you do everything at your own power to protect your own account. And then YouTube also give us another advice. Said delete connected app that you don't need. Any app that you have added to your email that is linked to your YouTube, you delete them, or you try to change, go into that account and change the email. Do not use your email accounts, okay, for any other thing. So those are the informations that YouTube passed to us. Go there and read it fully by yourself. Now, I said if you wait to the end, I'm going to show you two things. Number one, if you put the same email that you open your YouTube account with in your YouTube studio. So I'm back in my, so now I'm in my YouTube account. Then you are going to go to your YouTube studio. When you tap on this place, it takes you to your YouTube studio. You click on here, okay, your profile take you to your YouTube studio, and you scroll down, you come to your customization. So when you allow your customization to load, you scroll down, you make sure that this email here is not the same. It's not the same with your normal email account, because this email, they can use it to contact you. Okay, you can also add it to these links here as well. You can click it and write email, so that people, anyone that wants to contact you, can be able to contact you. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, this one will show on your YouTube your YouTube channel. Even if everybody wants to check it on their phone, they can be able to see you. Okay, then you click on published. The second thing was that you make sure you come to this channel and go and check come to this feature legibility. Is very, very important. Make sure all these places are enabled. They are very, very important to enable it. Make sure they are green. Then you have done all the necessary things that you need to do. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial and then today's YouTube update. If there is any more updates, trust me, I will be the first also to come bring it to your notice. Thank you so much for watching. My name remains Gani and this is Grow with Gani. Don't not forget to hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell in case I drop any videos like this in the future, and then you'll be also to be part of the people that will be notified and come and enjoy the benefit on this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Bye.